Welcome back. Still 100 points lower on the index, but the big story of the day is the strong guidance and roadmap laid out by the Mahindra Group, as the company has stated that they will see 15 to 40% growth in the next 5 years. Sudarshan is here with the entire analysis. Sudarshan.
So it was like an investor day never before. You had 14 group CEOs presenting their outlook. So what is that outlook? Over FY22 to 25, the group companies have seen a growth of 25%. Going forward, over FY26 to 30, that outlook is in the range of 15 to 40%. Anisha and other group companies have talked specifically about growth gems. So in FY20, combined value of those growth gems was rupees 8,000 crore. Now the combined value has increased to 56,000 crore. That's a 7 times increase, and M&M's market share in that 56,000 crore is of 48,000 crore rupees. Now let's take a look about the outlook of the company-wise. So for SUV and LCV, they are expecting an increase of 8 times in the revenue, and that's the outlook from FY20 to FY30. For ILCV and electric three-wheelers, that's a 6-time increase in the revenue. For Mahindra and Mahindra Finance AUM, they are expecting an increase of 5 times. For aerostructures, 12 times increase. In realty pre-sales, 14 times increase. And for Mahindra Holidays, they are expecting to have 12,000 keys by FY30. So we have done certain calculation that group companies have given outlook from FY20 to FY30. So what about from FY25 level? So for auto, the current revenue is around 91,000 crore. If it increases as per the outlook, by FY30, it will increase to around rupees 3.9 lakh crore. For farm or say tractor, current revenue is around 35,400 crore. It will increase to 55,000 crore. For Mahindra and Mahindra Finance AUM, currently or as of FY20, it's 1.20 lakh crore, and it will increase to rupees 3 lakh crore. And for real estate or say Mahindra Life Spaces, currently pre-sales is of 2,800 crore, and it's expected to increase to 12,000 crore. And for Mahindra Holidays, total keys as of FY25 end was at 5,800 keys, and it's expected to increase to 12,000 keys. The group companies have talked about aspiration. Let's listen in what Anisha had to talk about growth gems and the outlook for FY30.
Auto continues to be a mainstay for us and our most exciting business, as we always see in all our forums. But other businesses have grown rapidly, and farm continues to be a huge deliverer of both profit as well as cash. I will highlight our growth gems. We've been talking about that for some time. When we started the journey on growth gems, collectively they were worth 8,000 crores in March 2020. Today, they're worth 56,000 crores, which is a 7x growth in a little more than 5 years. Mahindra's share in them, because some of them are listed, is 48,000 crores. And the value of our growth gems to Mahindra today is higher than the value of Tech Mahindra or Mahindra Finance to growth gem. We are building on a very strong foundation, and we've done well over the last 5 years. As we look ahead, to summarize what some of the leaders have said, we presented to our investors our growth over this decade, from 2020 to 2030. We are halfway through that. For this decade, SUVs 8x in revenue, LCVs 8x in revenue, ILCVs 6x in revenue, electric three-wheelers 6x in revenue, Mahindra Finance 5x in assets under management, Susten 5x in installed capacity, aerostructures 12x in revenue, life spaces 14x in pre-sales. We're thinking of growth in multiples, not in percentages, and profit growth will be higher than revenue growth, and market cap hopefully will be higher than that.
All right, that's the Mahindra Group vision. That's the big story that we are tracking today. But time for a short break now. When we come back, Rupesh Shah from Symphony will join in next to discuss the business outlook, Q2 numbers, and a lot more.